Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at the new IGM Pocket Hole Jig and exploring some tips and tricks to help you get the best results with your projects. Pocket holes are fantastic for quick and strong joints, especially when you want to save time. Unlike more intricate joints like pin or domino joints, this method doesn't require expensive tools. All you need is a basic drill and this jig, making it accessible even for beginners to assemble furniture with professional results. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about setting the drill bit depth. The key here is precision to avoid blowouts and ensure strong joints. Use the jig scale to set the drill stop to match the wood thickness. For example, if your wood is 12.7mm thick, set the drill stop to 12.7mm. A helpful trick is to measure the material depth by placing the wood perpendicular to the jig from below and pushing it against the stop. This quick check guarantees the drill bit is correctly aligned. Next, let's look at the thickness gauge and its dual functionality. The swivel stop on the jig is not specifically for outside joints. For new joints, use the stop facing downwards. For repairs or reinforcing joints in an already assembled piece, flip the stop upward. This design makes the jig versatile for both assembling and repairing furniture. By using the correct stop position, you can ensure precise and strong pocket holes for every project. A great feature on this jig is the entering marks on the end tab. These marks are incredibly handy for aligning the jig perfectly on your workpiece, using them to position the jig consistently across multiple pieces or repeat drilling. This ensures uniform pocket holes, which is especially important when creating identical joints in multiple parts. To adjust the jig for your stock's thickness, squeeze the jig like a clothes peg and then slide it into position. This action allows the jig to quickly adapt to the wood's thickness. Once adjusted, your pocket holes will be perfectly aligned with your material for strong and consistent joints. Clamp pressure is essential for accuracy and safety. The clamp should hold the jig securely in place, but it shouldn't be too tight. Excessive pressure can leave marks on the wood or even damage it. Adjust the clamp until it's just firm enough to prevent movement without denting the surface. This balance ensures your pocket holes are clean and precise. Finally, let's talk about screws. Using the right screw type is critical for strong and durable joints. Fine thread screws are perfect for hardwoods like oak or maple, as they provide better grip without splitting the wood. Coarse thread screws work best for softwoods, such as pine, spruce, or even soft plywoods like birch or poplar. If you're dealing with high stress joints or thicker materials, washer head screws are a great choice. Their wider head provides better holding power and prevents the screw from pulling through. Avoid tapered screws for pocket joints, as they can split the wood in the drilled hole. Always match your screw type to your material for best results. And there you have it. By following these tips, From setting the drill bit depth to choosing the right screws, you'll achieve strong, clean pocket holes every time with your IGM pocket hole jig. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and share it with fellow woodworkers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.